our lesson. We're using Madinah Arabic book, new edition, volume 1. And we're going to go to lesson 3. Okay, this is lesson 3. الدرس الثالث. In this lesson 3, we're going to show the changing between baytun into al-baytu. So when we put al into baytu, the double doma drop into one doma only. So then baytun, a house, al-baytu, the house. Same thing. Kitabun, a book. Al-kitabu, the book. Also, qalamun, a pen. Al-qalamu, the pen. Jamalun, a camel. Al-jamalu, the camel. Right, now let's have a look at this text here. هذا قلم. This is a pen. And the next sentence, القلم مكسور. The pen is broken. Okay. القلم مكسور. The pen is broken. And next, ذلك باب. This is the track, and then the door is far, it's small. So ذلك باب. And then الباب مفتوح. The door is opened. The door is open here. الباب مفتوح. Okay, and then we have من هذا ومن ذلك. There is picture here, teacher and the student. I'll make the screen a little bit smaller so you can see. So this is the teacher and this is the student. And من هذا ومن ذلك. Who is this and who is that? هذا ولد وذلك مدرس. This is a boy and that is a teacher. الولد جالس. The boy is sit down. والمدرس واقف. And the teacher is standing up. Okay. الولد جالس والمدرس واقف. The boy is sit down and the teacher is standing up. Okay, now let's have a look at the next page. We're going to have a tamarin or exercise. I'm going to adjust the screen a little bit so you can see the whole page easily. Okay, that's pretty good. All right. Tamarin is exercises. اقرأ. Read. Number 1. القلم جديد والكتاب قديم. Please repeat. Next. The pen is new and the book is older. All right. Number 2. الحمار صغير والحصان كبير. The donkey is small and the horse is big. Okay. Number 3. ما ذلك? What is that? ذلك كرسي. ذلك كرسي. الكرسي مكسور. الكرسي مكسور. Thank you for joining everyone. And number 4. المنديل واسخ. المنديل واسخ. The handkerchief is dirty. واسخ is dirty. القمر جميل. The moon is beautiful. The moon is beautiful. And next, number 6. البيت قريب والمسجد بعيد. The house is near, close or near, and the masjid is far. Alright. البيت قريب والمسجد بعيد. Right. Number 7. Hi, Assalamu alaikum. Thanks for joining. هذا ماء. This is water. الماء بارد. The water is cold. Cold. Number 8. الجمل كبير. The camel is big. Number 9. الحجر ثقيل والورق خفيف. The rock is heavy and the paper is light. Number 10. الإمام واقف. The imam is standing up. Number 11. أقميص هذا? Is this a shirt? نعم هذا قميص. Yes, this is a shirt. القميص نظيف. The shirt is clean. The shirt is clean. Now let's read again from the beginning for the one who has just joined. We're going to read these sentences and translate it into English. Okay, remember, al at the beginning of the word means the, which is definite. It changed the word into definite word. Alright. Al-qalamu jadidun wal-kitabu qadimun. The pen is new and the book is old. New and old, yes? Number 2. الحمار صغير والحصان كبير. The donkey is small and the horse is big. Number 3. ما ذلك? What is that? ذلك كرسي. That is a chair. الكرسي مكسور. The chair is broken. Right. المنديل واسخ. The handkerchief is dirty. واسخ is dirty. القمر جميل. The moon is beautiful. البيت قريب والمسجد بعيد. The house is near and the masjid is far away. Number 7. هذا ماء. This is water. الماء بارد. The water is cold. الجمل كبير. The camel is big. الحجر ثقيل والورق خفيف. The rock is heavy and the paper is light. Number 10. الإمام واقف. The Imam is standing up. Number 11. أقميص هذا؟ نعم. Is this a shirt? نعم هذا قميص. Yes, this is a shirt. القميص نظيف. The shirt is clean. Okay, we continue to the next exercise in the next page. Just a minute, I'll just make the page easy to see. Alright, so then this exercise number 2, these words, they don't have any haraka, but we already know the rule, and we're gonna read this with the haraka. So here, masjidun, a masjid. Al-masjidu, the masjid. When the word has al at the beginning, it changed into dhamma, not tanwin anymore. But if this one here without al, the ending is tanwin. Masjidun, a masjid. Al-masjidu, the masjid. Al-ma'u, the water. Ma'un, the water. Even though in English we don't say for water, but this is indefinite, water. Al-baytu, the house. Babun, a door. Qalamun, a pen. Al-qalamu, the pen. Al-kalbu, the dog. Kalbun, a dog. Qamisun, a shirt. Waladun, a boy. Al-hajaru, the rock. Al-waladu, the boy. Himarun, a donkey. Al-himaru, the donkey. Al-waraqu, the paper. Hisanun, a horse. So are we all good? Hope you know now a few words. We have plenty of vocabulary already. Okay, right. Let's continue to the exercise 3. In here, it says, اقرأ واكتب. Read and write. So the read is here we're doing it. The writing thing, you do it. Or maybe I'll have another live session for writing only. So let's have a look. Number 1. أكرسي هذا. أكرسي هذا. Is this a chair? لا. هذا مكتب. No, this is a desk or table. والمكتب مكسور. And the table or the desk is broken. Right. Number 2. المدرس جديد. المدرس جديد. The teacher is new. So he is a new teacher. Okay. القميص وسخ. القميص وسخ. The shirt is dirty. Number 4. القلم أقلم هذا. Is this a pen? نعم. Yes. والقلم خفيف. And the pen is light, easy to lift. And the pen is light. الماء حر. الماء حر. This is on the stove, the water. So the water is hot. Number 6. المسجد مفتوح. المسجد مفتوح. The masjid is open. The masjid is open. Number 7. Can you see the... Yeah. ما ذلك? What is that? ذلك قط. That is a cat. القط جميل. The cat is beautiful. القط, the cat, جميل, is beautiful. Number 8. الحجر صغير. الحجر صغير. The rock is small. Okay. المهندس جالس. The engineer sit down. والمدرس واقف. And the teacher is stand up. Okay? Good. That's number 9. We have 12. This is number 10. Number 10. القمر بعيد. What is بعيد? Far away. القمر بعيد. The moon is far away. Number 11. المنديل نظيف. المنديل نظيف. The handkerchief is clean. Number 12. مفتوح الباب. So how do we read this? This is hun and this is al. So this is مفتوح الباب. مفتوح الباب. Is the door open? لا. الباب مغلق. No, the door is closed. So مغلق is the opposite of مفتوح. Okay, very good. Now let's continue. Keep following, and then inshallah you'll pick up the meaning and the vocabulary. So in this exercise, we're going to read it, but then there is a missing word in the blank space. We are going to pick up one from the box. Choose which one is more suitable for the sentence. So what do we have in this box? We have jamilun, beautiful. We have wasikhun, which is dirty. We have maftuhun, which is open. We have harrun, hot. We have thaqilun. What is thaqilun? Heavy. We have khafifun, which is light. And now let's have a look. Number 1, al-hajaru. What is al-hajaru? Rock. Al-hajaru, which one is suitable? Light or heavy? Of course, it's heavy, right? So we choose that one. Al-hajaru thaqilun. Okay, number 2. Al-qamaru, the moon. What is the moon? Which one is in here which is more suitable for the moon? Not the one. This is picked up already. Jamilun, yeah. Jamilun is beautiful. Al-qamaru jamilun. The moon is beautiful. Very good. Al-mindilu. Which one? Clean or dirty? We have clean here. Wasikhun. Wasikhun is, dirty. We have dirty here. Nothing, everything else just not suitable. We picked up this one. We picked up this one. This is not suitable. This is not suitable. So we choose that one. Al-mindilu, the handkerchief, is dirty. Wasikhun. Wasikhun. Number 4. Al-babu, the door. Which one? Picked up, picked up, picked up. Oh no, picked up. So this one is left. Maftuhun, opened. Al-babu maftuhun. The door is open. Al-waraqu. Al-waraqu. Al-waraqu is the paper. The paper is light. Which one is light? خفيف. Yes, so we picked الورق خفيف. The paper is light. The last one, الماء, the water. So this is the only option left. Hot. So it's just that. الماء حر. The water is hot. Okay, that's good. Is there any one want to say something or a question or anything? Please free to say hello. Please feel free to say hello and whatever. Say salam or a question. You can type your question. I can answer it. Inshallah. I'll stop a little bit of lesson and continue after. Anyway, next exercise is, can you see the whole page? Let me check. Is it better now? I don't know. All right. I hope you can see everything. Anyway, next exercise number 5. We need to fill in the blank space with whatever word which is suitable. For example, nadifun. What is nadifun? Do you remember the meaning? It's clean, yeah? The meaning of nadifun is clean. We can say anything. Anybody want to say anything? You can say al-mindilu, the handkerchief. We can choose from here. Al-mindilu nadifun. The handkerchief is clean. Okay. Baridun. What is baridun? The opposite of harrun, which is cold. So what do we do? What do we have? We already know water. So we can pick up water. Al-ma'u baridun. The water is cold. All right. Ba'idun is far away. What is far away? What words that we have already learned? So we can pick up from that. So we can choose the moon. Al-qamaru ba'idun. So you write al-qamaru here. The moon is far away. And this is jisun, is sit down. You can choose whoever to be sit down. We can say maybe al-waladu, the boy is sit down. That's good. Qadimun is new. What is qadimun? Is it right? Is it new? Yes. New. Oh, no. It's old. Qadimun is old. You can say masjid is old. Al-masjidu qadimun. Good. Very good. And this is broken. Maksurun is broken. What can be broken? It could be a pen, could be the chair. So let's pick up the pen. Al-qalamu maksurun. The pen is broken. Right. Qaribun. Qaribun is near or close. So what is near? It can be the house. Al-baytu qaribun. The house is near or close. All right. Waqifun. What is waqifun? Remember? Standing up. Yes, that's right. So we can say al-mudarrisu waqifun. The teacher is standing up. Kabirun is big. What is big? We can choose anything, but I'll choose the horse. So we say al-hisanu kabirun. The horse is big. And this one here, jadidun. Jadidun is new. The opposite is qadimun. Vintage or ancient or old. So what is jadidun? Maybe the house. Al-baytu jadidun. The house is new. Right. That's exercise 5 of lesson 3. We're going to move on to the next exercise. Let me just put the page together for you. All right, so this is the next exercise, exercise number 6. This is the opposite of exercise number 5. We have the noun here. What we don't know what to say here. You can choose whatever adjective you like. For example, al-qalamu, the pen. You can choose new, broken, short or light, anything. So al-qalamu maqsurun, the pen is broken. You can do that. And al-waladu, the boy. We can choose the boy is sit down. Al-waladu jalisun, the boy is sitting down. Al-baytu, we can say al-baytu, the house is new. Al-baytu jadidun, the house is new. Okay, there is in here number 4, the horse. What is the horse? What do you want to say about the horse? Maybe big. We can say it. Al-hisanu kabirun, the horse is big. All right. Al-maktabu. What is the al-maktabu? The table or the desk. Al-maktabu broken. Okay. Maksurun. Al-maktabu maksurun, the table is broken. Al-muhandisu, the engineer. The engineer is standing up. All right. Then we say al-muhandisu waqifun. Al-muhandisu waqifun. Okay. That's exercise number 6. In this exercise number 7, there is a word in the box which is with alif lam, but we don't sound the al. For here we say al-qalamu, al-hisanu, al-maktabu, al-muhandisu, al-baytu. But for these words, the al is silent. So how do we say that? For example, here, najmun. We don't say al-najmu to become the star. This is najmun, a star. To make the star is not al-najmu. The alif lam still there, but the lam is silent. So what is it? It's an-najmu. An-najmu, the star. Same here. Dikun is a rooster. So to make the rooster, we put alif lam, but the lam is silent. The a connects to dal right away with shadda. Addiku, addiku, the rooster. Dikun, a rooster. Addiku, the rooster. Okay? Next, rajulun is a man, right? And to make the man, we put alif lam, but lam is silent. So how do we say that? Ar-rajulu, ar-rajulu. Rajulun, a man. Ar-rajulu, the man. Okay, next. Talibun, a student. What about to make the student? We put alif lam, but the lam is quiet. The a connects to ta right away. So the lam is silent. At-talibu, at-talibu. Talibun, at-talibu. Okay, so we have the exercise here with the same principle with the words in the box. Let's have a look. Number one, النجم بعيد. What is بعيد? بعيد is, you remember? Near. Oh, far away. النجم بعيد. Hang on. The star is far away. النجم is not النجم but النجم بعيد. We call this حروف شمسية. So the lam is not sounding, the lam is silent. That's for حروف شمسية. What about this one? The lam is sounds like al, so it's حروف قمرية. But anyway, we'll talk about that later on in the next lesson. Number two, الرجل مريض. The man is sick. الرجل مريض. The man is sick. مريض is sick. الديك جميل. What is ديك? The rooster. The rooster is beautiful. التاجر غني. What is التاجر? The businessman. Yes. غني is rich. The businessman is rich. Okay. الولد فقير. The boy is poor. فقير. فقير. The boy is poor. الطبيب طويل. The doctor is tall. والمدرس قصير. And the teacher is short. Okay. الطبيب طويل والمدرس قصير and the teacher is short. And this one هذا لبن. This is milk. وهذا ماء and this is water. اللبن حر. The milk is hot. والماء بارد and the water is cold. All right. Number 8. الدفتر جديد. الدفتر is the notebook. Notebook. Not the textbook. Textbook is كتاب. الدفتر جديد. The notebook is new. السكر حلو. السكر. The sugar. حلو is sweet. The sugar is sweet. Alright. الدكان مفتوح. الدكان is the shop. The shop is open. Okay. 11. الطالب واقف. The student is standing up. Number 12. التفاح لذيذ. التفاح لذيذ. The apple is delicious. Okay, a lot of new thing here. Jadidun is new. Hulwun is sweet. We know this already. Maftuhun, we know it already. Waqifun, we know that. It's standing up. Ladidun is quite new. Lazat or delicious. Now, the next tamarin, the exercise. Let me check. We're going to finish this very soon. Lesson 3 is quite big. Let me check. Okay, we have 3 more pages to finish. Okay, this exercise, we need to identify which one a lam is sounding, which one lam is silent. Okay, اقرأ اقرأ الكلمات الآتية واكتبها مراعيا قواعد. Don't worry about that. We just want to know which one is become al, which one is lam become silent. So now let's look at this. The door. الباب. الباب. The businessman. التاجر. التاجر. The star. النجم. Lam is quiet. النجم. The star. القمر. The moon. The lam is sounding. القمر. Okay. The rooster. الديك. الديك. The rooster. الماء. We don't say الماء. الماء. The water. The bed. السرير. السرير. The bed. البيت. البيت. The house. المسجد. المسجد. The masjid. The men. الرجال. الرجال. The men. The sugar. السكر. السكر. The paper. الورق. So the lam is sound. الورق. The milk. اللبن. اللبن. The shop. The lam is silent. الدكان. الدكان. The engineer. المهندس. المهندس. Okay. And yeah. Next exercise, we are going to find the adjective for this word. Right, in the blank space. Read it and put any explanation for that word. For example, الرجل, the man. What happened to the man? Maybe he is sick, so we put مريض. الرجل مريض. The man is sick. الدكان, the shop. What do we want to know about the shop? What do we want to say? The shop is open, right? So we say الدكان مفتوح. The shop is open. Right. This is the doctor, the طبيب. الطبيب. The doctor. What do you want to say about the doctor? Maybe he is a new doctor. Okay, we can say جديد. جديد. The doctor is new. No worries. Right. النجم, the star. What do you want to say about star? Beautiful or far away? Far away is definitely. Beautiful is outside. We can say beautiful or جميل. النجم جميل. Okay. The bed. السرير. Is it heavy or light or new or old? Which one? You can choose anything. السرير جديد. New. The bed is new. Number 9. التاجر. The businessman. Must be he is. Probably he is rich. So we use غني. التاجر غني. Okay. The businessman is rich. Oh, this is this is the same principle. So I put it in the group. I finished this first, and this one here, same principle. So we're gonna do this, even though the number is not in order. So la la la, غني, blah blah blah, غني. Somebody is rich. Who's that? Okay, we can choose this one. التاجر غني. Good job. Blah blah blah, مريض. Blah blah blah, sick. Could be رجل. الرجل مريض. The man is sick. And طويل. Maybe the طبيب is طويل. The doctor is tall. الطبيب طويل. Yeah. حلو. What is حلو? Sweet. So what is sweet? We can choose anything. We can choose apple. التفاح التفاح حلو. The apple is sweet. And you can use apple here too because we have quite limited vocabulary. التفاح لذيذ. The apple is delicious. التفاح لذيذ. Okay, this is short. Somebody is short. We can say الولد قصير. The boy is short. الولد قصير. So that's what it is. We learn a few words more, which is غني, rich, مريض is sick, طويل is tall, حلو is sweet, لذيذ is لذات, delicious, قصير is short. Okay, please feel free to comment, guys. Thank you for joining. If you want to ask a question, you can type it up and I'll try to answer your question. Otherwise, we will move on to the next exercise. I'm trying to finish lesson 3 today. Lesson 3 is quite fat, quite long. So yeah, let's go. Next, hang on, I'll put it better so you can see better. I'll set the right. Here it is. It's this one here. We are going to hello, what's up? There are 2 types of words in this part. It's the noun, and part alif is the noun, and part B is kind of adjective. So we have الطالب. الطالب is the student. The student, you can choose anything suitable for that word. So in this case, we have one example already. الطالب مريض. The student is sick, right? And then we have دكان. الدكان, not this one, not delicious, not broken, not ثقيل, heavy, no. Not غني, no. This is most suitable. Open. It's not hot either. So الدكان, the shop, is open. So we choose that one. Draw the line. Right. التفاح, the apple. You can choose لذيذ. التفاح لذيذ. And then الماء, the water. We can choose this one. حار. The water is hot. حر. Okay. الحجر. الحجر is the rock. So what could be it? Heavy? Yeah. So الحجر ثقيل. The rock is heavy. Then القلم. القلم, which one is more suitable? That one there. مكسور, broken. So القلم مكسور. And then the last one, التاجر, the businessman. Businessman. What more suitable? غني. The businessman is rich. التاجر غني. Okay. And yeah. And then we have pictures here. Have a look at these pictures and ask the question. I can ask question, you can answer. Who's this? This is Imam. Who's that one? This is the businessman. He has a shop. This is a teacher. This is a man. This is a boy. This is a student. This is a engineer. So let's do it. Man hada. Who is this? Come on, answer me. Type the answer. هذا طبيب. من هذا? Who is this? هذا إمام. من هذا? Who is this? هذا تاجر. من هذا? Who is this? هذا مدرس. من هذا؟ هذا رجل. من هذا؟ هذا ولد. a boy. من هذا؟ هذا طالب. This is a student. من هذا؟ هذا مهندس. This is a an engineer. All right, very good. I think this is the last page of lesson. No, still two more. Oh, it's quite fast, isn't it? Right. Anyway, we're gonna have a look at the words where the al is sounding and where the al is silent. So in this part, the alif lam, the lam sukun is sounding al. We can hear it. And we call it huruful qamariyah. Huruful qamariyah. What are they? When alif lam meet alif, ba, jim, ha, kha, ain, ghain, fa, qaf, kaf, mim, wa, ha, and ya, the lam is sounding al. But in this huruf shamsiyah, where ta, when alif lam meet the letter ta, tha, dal, dhal, ra, zay, sin, shin, sad, dot, ta, dha, lam, and noon, the lam is silent. So let's have a look at the example. It's in here. Al-abu, the father. Al-babu, the door. You can hear the al. Al-jannatu, the paradise. Al-himaru, the dog. Al-khubzu, the bread. Al-ainu, the eye. Al-ghurfatu, the room. Al-famu, Al-qamaru, the moon. Al-kalbu, the dog. Al-ma'u, the water. Al-waladu, the boy. Al-hawa'u, and al-yadu. So they all have al. The lam is sound. And then in here, at-tajiru, the businessman. At-thawbu, the thob for the boy. The gummies for the boy. Ad-diku, the rooster. Al-dhahabu, al-rajulu. Al-zahratu, the flower. As-samaku, the fish. Ash-shamsu, the sun. Al-sadaru, al-dhaifu. Al-talibu. Al-dhuhru. Al-lahmu. An-najmu. So all lam in this word is silent. And the next word will have shadda on it. Okay? All right. Next. There is another two exercise. Two more pages, which is good. And then we can have a break after. We're almost 48 minutes. Anyway, I hope you enjoy your lesson and I hope it's beneficial for everybody anyway. Right. Tamarin exercise. We are going to read this word and make sure which one the lam is sounding or which one a lam is quiet. All right. Which one? The house. Al-baytu. The rooster. Ad-diku. The door. Al-babu. The student. Al-talibu. The sugar. As-sukkaru. The notebook. Ad-daftaru. The brother. Al-akhu. The messenger. Al-rasulu. The face. Al-wajahu. The friend. Al-sadiqu. Al-sadiqu. The Quran. Al-Quranu. The salat. Al-salatu. The Kaaba. Al-Kaabatu. We know this word, I'm familiar. And al-ra'su, al-ra'su. We don't know this word yet. Al-isba', al-isba'. Al-fajr, al-fajr, the fajr. Al-dhahru, salat dhuhr. Al-asru, salat asr, the asr. Al-maghribu, the maghrib. Al-isha'u, al-isha'u, the isha. All right. And next exercise. And exercise number 2, we have, this is the last exercise actually. We have the sentence, the picture, and there is a blank space. What do we do? So we are going to read and try to find the answer for this. So choose the picture to the word. Okay, so for example, no, change the picture into the word. This is chair. Al-kursiyu kabirun. The chair is big. What's this? This apple. Wal tufahu. What's that in here? The apple is lazat, ladidun. Okay. Wat tufahu ladidun. Okay, this is a boy, and this one is a doctor, right? Al waladu faqirun. The boy is poor. Wal or what? This is tabibun. What tabibu ghaniyun. And the doctor is rich. Okay, this is a house. This is a shop. Al baytu qaribun. The house is close or near. Wad dukkanu qadimun. Yeah. Qadimun is, not qadimun. Close, near. Ba'idun. This is far away. Al baytu qaribun. The house is near. Wad dukkanu ba'idun. Okay. This is a book. Al kitabu maftuhun. The book is opened. Wad daftaru, and the notebook maghluqun. Okay, it's closed. All right. Al-qittu saghirun. Al-qittu saghirun. The cat is small. Wal-himaru kabirun. Compared to the cat, it's bigger. And the donkey is big. But compared to the horse, donkey is smaller. Anyway, let's continue. Number 6. This is qamis. This is mindilun. Nadifun means, what is it? Clean. The opposite is wasikhun. So we have al-qamisu nadifun. The shirt is clean. Wal mindilu wasikhun. And the handkerchief is dirty. This is camel. What is camel? Jamalun. So al-jamalu tawilun. The camel is tall. Wal-hisanu, and the horse is short. What is short? Qasirun. Wal-hisanu qasirun. Number 8. What's this one? The rock. Al-hajaru thaqilun. What is thaqilun? Heavy. The rock is heavy. And this is paper. Wal-waraqu khafifun. And the paper is light. What's this one? Maktabun, yeah? Al-maktabu qadimun. Al-maktabu qadimun. Qadimun is old, or old, ancient, vintage. The table is old. Was-sariru, this is bed. Was-sariru jadidun. And the bed is new. What's this one here? Is water. Al-ma'u باردٌ. The water is cold. واللبن حر. And the milk is hot. The last one, this is a boy. Our, no, what is it, boy or student? Anyway, or we choose the boy. Al-waladu jalisun. The boy is sit down. And this is the teacher. Wal-mudarrisu, what is standing up? Wal-mudarrisu, come on. Whatever. Al-mudarrisu waqifun. Anyway, okay. And this is the end. And then this is the new word that we have learned in this lesson, which is lesson 3. Al-kalimatul jadidatu, the new word. We have learned al-kitabu, maksurun, broken. Al-qamaru, the moon. Jamilun, beautiful. Ma'un, water. Waraqun, paper. Muhandisun, engineer. Maridun, sick. Daftarun, notebook. Hulwun, sweet. Dukkanun, a shop. Tuffahun, an apple. Ladidun is delicious. And also al-iddadu, which is the opposite. Jadidun, qadimun. What is jadidun? New and old. Jadidun, the opposite is qadimun. Saghirun, small, the opposite is kabirun. Jalisun is sit down, the opposite is waqifun, standing up. Thaqilun is heavy. Khafifun is light. Wasikhun is dirty. And nadifun is clean. Maftuhun is open. Mughlaqun is closed. Tawilun is tall. Qasirun is short. Harrun is hot. Baridun is cold. Ghaniyun is rich. Faqirun is poor. Qaribun is close. Ba'idun is far away. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for joining. And please subscribe so you know and you get notification every time I am going live again. I'm trying to do that every day, but we'll see what happens. I cannot put schedule yet. Thank you very much. And let's read dua after majlis. Subhanaka Allahumma wa bihamdika ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is the book that we use. And please subscribe. Thank you. Bye for now.